Introducing the 2023 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.